Are your throttle body very dirty? Don't worry, we'll cover the how to clean the throttle body safely and what you can do about them. Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Today, we're tackling a common car maintenance task, cleaning the throttle body. A dirty throttle body can lead to a number of problems, including rough idling, stalling, and decreased performance. Luckily, cleaning it yourself is a relatively simple process that can save you some money at the mechanic. Before we dive in, safety is paramount. We'll be working with chemicals and around your car's engine, so here's what you'll need. Safety glasses, protect your eyes from any splashes of cleaner. Rubber gloves, shield your hands from chemicals and grime. Shop rags or paper towels for wiping up dirt and cleaner. Socket wrench set or screwdrivers to disconnect the air intake hose. Throttle body cleaner, get a specifically formulated cleaner, not carburetor cleaner. Soft bristled brush or toothbrush for scrubbing away grime. Non-abrasive wipes, optional for final cleaning. Locating the throttle body. Pop the hood and identify the air intake hose. This hose typically connects the air filter box to the engine block. Follow the hose to its end, and you'll find the throttle body a cylindrical component with a butterfly valve inside. Disconnecting the air intake hose. Now, consult your car's manual or refer to online resources for specific instructions on disconnecting the air intake hose. It might be held on by clamps or screws. Loosen these carefully and detach the hose, taking note of its position for reassembly later. Now let's see how to clean your throttle body. Continue cleaning until there's no more visible dirt or grime. You might need to repeat the spraying, scrubbing, and wiping process a couple of times for a thorough clean. Take a good look around the throttle plate and ensure there's no black, sticky residue. Finally, we have succeeded to cleaning throttle body safely. Once you're satisfied with the cleaning, allow everything to dry completely. This can take 5 to 10 minutes. Don't reconnect anything just yet. Now, crank up your engine and let it idle for a few minutes. The engine might rev a bit higher at first as it relearns the proper air intake. If everything seems normal, you're good to go. Cleaning your throttle body is a straightforward task that can significantly improve your car's performance. Remember, if you're unsure about any step, consult a mechanic or refer to a repair manual specific to your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY car maintenance tips.